What's up, everyone? Breaking news. What's up, everyone? Don't forget I got the new channel, and I'm glad you're here. If you watch me, I'm glad you're here because the old channel was over there. You're at the new channel. You're at the right place to be. So I just start with the. This is gonna be a quick video, just kind of showing you what I'm doing, what I did, and it wasn't much, and just kind of just the market really quick. We'll look at some stuff, and if you participate, that'll be the longer I'll stay on. So that was big day, man. I was actually shocked. VIX only down a little bit. I was actually shocked, especially with the futures up like 250. I was like, oh my god! I'm just sitting here watching Apple wanting to be up another 4%. It was crazy. So anyway, I just pulled up the CNBC. I just looking at this. Google's investing 100 million in telehealth provider Amwell, which will use Google Cloud. Does that make my position any better? Is Google like up in the post market? I don't know why I'm using. Yeah, it's up $10. Wait a minute, no, it isn't. Look, why does it say? Oh, it's up. Yeah, it's up. Yeah, it kind of got it reversed. It's up 55 cents. A $15,000 stock up 55 cents is nothing. All right, so let's go ahead and look at my trades. But first of all, let me go ahead and kind of just get a quick retweet out there. And feel free to do a retweet, y'all, man. I appreciate it. Especially with the new channel. I'm trying to get some people up in here. But yeah, I was supposed to do a video on the new channel. You know, why? Why? But I didn't get around to it because I was spending time with my girl this weekend, man. And even today, I just totally wasn't attached to the stock market. Although I did make one trade. Let me see. Filled order. I sold a Google put spread. This time I went more closer to the money. I sold a 1550, 1500. Once I saw it shot above 1600, which I've been telling you it's going to happen. I've been telling you it's been accumulating, right? I've been like, look, it's accumulating. Look at the volume. Look at the volume, right? Been in for a while. Look at the breakout. Look at it. So, once it shot above 1600, it came back to 1588. So I sold the put spread, the 1550. So I'm only 30 points out the money. If the market would be down tomorrow, that could easily be gone in one day. I was disappointed with the price action because this thing was up like 37 points and it closed at $9 up. I'm like, Anyway, let's look at the minute. See, look at that, man. Unbelievable. I was like, oh yeah, I really didn't think it was gonna go back below 1600. I thought that was push. So hey, damn, it wasn't hardly up anything. I mean, so we got to do it again. We gotta blow through the top again. You know, the sellers was up there. They got a good price. That was an all-time high, I believe. And so when it came down to here, right around here, that area right there, I sold the put spread, and look what happened. I was like, oh my gosh. Please. And you know, it wasn't too bad. Let me see where it's at now. I sold this one at 39 days out. You see the short. Yeah, why is it? That's weird. Okay, the short strike. Well, the long strikes make. Anyway, I'm up what is that? $90. Even though it looks backwards, but I'll take it. I'm up $90. Google for the day up 20. Boeing, that's it. Was this up 60? I was up $10, man. $10. I wanted to put more on that, but I was scared. I was scared. I wanted to put more on that on Friday, but I shoulda. It looks like I should. I'm up $73. And Walmart, you know, still selling those covered calls. Here's the short calls. 4 days to go. I sold it at 81. Now it's 51 cents. I'm up $102 in that trade. Still got the long call, which says I'm losing 249, but I sold way more shorts than that. Oh yeah, let me pull up my my chat box. Cashmatic, what's up? Jewelry box, hey babe, thank you. Hey babe, and IFYB on Periscope. Dre, my man, bank 100% on Apple puts in 1 hour from the open. Let's pull that up, man. You bought puts. I thought about buying. I thought about buying puts in the. So I imagine it opened up at 5:15, and then an hour later, yeah, you bought those puts. I imagine this is where you made that money. And for the most part, I think anyone. I was trading on my phone, so I didn't want to get too deep, but I knew it was going to be a pullback. I thought about doing it in Google, but I was long Google, so you know it's kind of weird being long it and then short it and it would have just been a quick trade because it was gonna give it up. And I guess they all gave it up, right? That's Apple. I haven't been watching the market today. Amazon, yeah, wow, that was the one to short. At 33.80 it reached and went down to, yeah, it lost 130 points. Imagine buying a put on that. How about NVIDIA? What did that thing do? Did anything hold the morning pop? NVIDIA is down. It's only up $1. This thing popped, well, man, about $6-7. Let's see if the AMD down. And let's look at Intel. Is it making a comeback? Nope. I don't know. What's some of the hot stocks? Facebook. Oh, yeah, that's where I made most of my money. I didn't even show y'all. All right, I'm up 1,700 for the day. Facebook alone was up 14.85. When the market first opened up, within 15 minutes, I was up about 3,500 in this portfolio. 35, 36. So I was like, yeah. So you see what I'm saying? I was just like, oh man, only if it can hold. But I'm bullish in Google. I'm expecting it to bust that 1,600 and hold. I'm expecting it actually not to run as hard as Facebook and all them others, but just to actually it's starting to, yeah, you see the breakout? It's starting to go do what I don't like. I don't like the straight up. See, it's starting to catch up with the rest of those stocks that's doing that, right? So, you can see the volume is there and everything. So, I like it, man. This is a monthly chart. You can see this is a 2-year consolidation. I think this can hold up for a little bit. But, wait a minute. That's Facebook. Hold on. We know about Facebook. All right, here's Google. All right. What am I looking at here? Yeah, you can see the breakouts just now starting. So I really like this one. This one is not doing what the Facebook was doing in the other stocks. So I like it. Just steady, straight up, and it's just not overextended like everyone else, So look at my Twitter. I'm just looking at Twitter. Remember, I got out. Disappointing, but it held 40.50. I was up 3%. It actually held it today. Look at that. What a day. Wait a minute. That's not the daily. Let's look at the minute. That held it. Yeah, look at that. Boom. So that's nice. That one looks good. I'm afraid of the disappointment. I like it. I can't. I think it looks like it wants to go higher. Maybe kind of. See, right here broke out some resistance. You could start right there, right? It's kind of peaked above. I like it. It's above this high right here. So maybe. I think on a pullback, Twitter always gives you a good entry. Look at all the reds. Look at the string of greens here. Look at that. That's rare. That's rare right there. It's supposed to be something like this every other day. It's a very disappointing stock if you're in it. It breaks your heart. But look, I got out somewhere over here. I think on this candle right here, and look, I should have stayed in. Oh, man. You think Facebook will be the next split? I think that there will be another split. I don't know about Facebook. It's only 300. It could be, but it's only what was it, 280? I don't even know, 270? I think it's going to be something like an Amazon, something just with more oomph, trying to think. Facebook, maybe even Netflix, right? So Netflix did not participate. That's interesting. Actually down. See, I don't trade. I lose money on Netflix. I tell you what, man, that's bad. That's something. It should have. What the Qs were up 0.6%. $1.76, right? So let me go to where's the right here. Let's just look at the home screen. Keep it nice and neat. 378 for the Dow, 1.35. Oh yeah, let's look at the heat map. S&P up percent. Qs, well, I'll say the whole NASDAQ up 0.6, so that's the same as the Qs. Russell up 1.03. I sold Russell puts in my other account. That's a good, across all four of my accounts, great day. It was a great day today, even with the pullback. So I'm like, yes, yes, so all my trades have been working. This is even a rare. Let's look at the rest of the positions. I'm totally, here's my PL for the day. There's no negative there. You know about Facebook. How about Lincadia Holdings? That's that stock with the live live casino thing, the live dealers. Live dealers. I think they're the leader. One of the leaders is a SPAC. Okay, it's I don't understand it that well, but I bought a call in it, and it's up $125. The call only cost me $900, so it's what? It's a little bit over 10, 12, 13%, something like that. I don't know. I don't know if I should. I think I need to hold on to it because that's the 4-hour. Look how it looks like the rest of the stocks in the stock market. Generally, right, it comes up to the top here. That's a bad drawing. And then it kind of held and then blows through and then goes straight up. Why do I have a feeling that this one's going to do the same thing? So I think I should hold on to this. Look at the volume coming up, the stochastic coming up. So I'm going to hold on to that a little bit longer. Probably get out on a day. Shit, it's up 9% today. I was about to say, I'll probably get out on a day where it's up like 10, 15%. It's up 9%. This could have been the day. Man. Excuse me. Getting excited up in here. But, wow. That was a good trade right there. I don't want to get that money back. But I think it goes higher. Because I just think they're just buying everything. And I don't want to act like I'm a genius. Thanks for coming in, Mr. JRH. Cashmax says Amazon, Nvidia, Netflix. I totally agree. I think it's one of those. I don't think it's going to be Facebook. I think the price is too low. Amazon, Nvidia, Netflix, one of them, and somebody else is going to do it. Just looking at the action in the splitters that I pull. I still can't believe Apple. Oh, we looked at this already. Still up 1.2%. This thing opened up like 3-4%. It's crazy. All because I just look at that. Tesla, I'm afraid to look. Oh my gosh. There's where we should have bought the put. This could actually be the beginning. If I remember right, when I was looking at my charts, yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at that selling. This thing was up. I could have sworn it was up like a good 4 or 5%. Yeah, 4%, 3.9, $80. I was like, oh my, Tesla's just. That was the put to buy right there. Wow. From 2,100 to 1,900. You could have made some money there. IFYB. Excuse me. This could be the beginning. It could be actually safe to sell a call spread here for a little bit. It might just be the beginning of a sideways move. One of these. Right, so I might actually consider that tomorrow. You got the 5-1 coming. I don't know. You can get a lot of premium in this. It's scary trading ahead. I don't know. This stock is scary, but it's finally doing something. It finally did something that the rest of the market didn't do, kind of, and be negative. So it's finally not up 5%. So maybe that's the beginning. And we got, look at the 4 hours. Look at that. So it's even a little downtrend forming, a little lower low, right? Well, not really. It didn't close below there. See, right here. If we can get a close. Well, maybe we did if you want to count that. I think we need a little bit more. We might be able to sell something above the high. And we'll see what happens. Look at the volume even. Like, when's the last time you've seen a volume like this on a down day? Right, this is the 4 hour, by the way. When's the last time you've seen that? Way over here. And the last time was July 28th. And if you look here, look at it. It went down from July 28th all the way down to August 11th. Was the last time we had any kind of selling like that. So this could be the beginning. That's 2 weeks, so maybe you can sell a 2-week call spread. I might look into that. Tesla make and break accounts. It sure do, man. We could have bought a call. There's so many stocks, and this is what scares me. There's so many stocks that we could have been rich off of. I mean, rich. If we'd have just bought a few calls. I'd never seen it. It's like you could just basically throw a dart at Yeah, just pull up. Let's pull it up. No, let's pull it up. Finviz, and we're gonna look at the this, right? So you could have basically took a dart and threw it anywhere at this board, preferably in the upper left-hand corner, and and bought some calls, and you would be pretty damn rich. You know, I wouldn't say rich, but you got some good gains. Good gains. If you would have bought some calls 1,000 points ago on Amazon, maybe Tesla, you would have been rich. You know, so it's just unbelievable. So everything was up today except for healthcare. And that might change with this whole Google news of where'd it go? Where it said Google's investing $100 million in telehealth provider Amwell at IPO. So maybe that changes this for tomorrow. Real estate, REITs are down. You know, so damn near everything is up. Not bad. Look at Facebook, Apple, Berkshire's up 3. Damn, Berkshire. Wells Fargo. You know, if anybody owns, you know how, you know, Apple's probably Berkshire's one of his greatest buys. I don't think he bought it, but it's almost, you can almost, I would say, you know, Apple's toppy. Like you could sell Apple and buy Berkshire, and you'll get some other great companies in there, and you still got Apple. You know. But yeah, it was a great day, and Tesla was down. Is it? No, it's not going to be in here. This is the S&P 500, and the day you forget about that because this stock could be coming down, and next thing you know, they want to put it in the S&P 500, and then it's going to be up 10, 15, 20%, and it'll totally blow your call spread right out of the water. So I'm just reading what's happening on Twitter here. Kind of side note, I'm not talking about, where did it go? Right here. Oh, this is last night. Wisconsin extends Kenosha County curfew following police shooting that left black man in serious condition. Okay. Alrighty. I think I might have seen that. I wasn't sure of the video. I thought it was looking at something old, but I have a feeling I've seen that video. All right, back to stocks. Yeah. All right, so what's going on there? Why isn't this? Oh, okay, I see what's going on. Pull up my thing. You said not. You know a lot of people that got. You know a lot of people go burn on Tesla. Now, how did they get burned, Cashmatic? Because I would figure a lot of people got the calls, right? The stock's going up. Everybody's like, "Oh, Tesla 5,000," you know. And if you would have bought calls any time, it seems like you would have. Other than today, you would have been making some money. The thing's been straight up for 1,000 points. Let's pull up the daily. I mean, look at that. Right in here. Right? Just from here. I mean, it's basically straight up. Since August 11th. Oh, I mean, this thing. And I was going to enter a position right here. The next day, it was out of reach. I was like, wait for pullback. No pullback. Oh, wait for no pullback. Right? Next day, no pullback. No pullback. Here's sideways. There's a pullback because sideways is the new down. And then boom again. Then boom. So you can see maybe we retraced 50% of this move. But this was a crazy move. Generally, it didn't let anybody get in. If you was waiting for a pull, that's why sometimes a lot of these stocks, you just have to buy and bite your teeth. And that's the way it seems to trade this market. You can't be prudent. You just got to be like, it's going up. It's up 5%. I'm buying it. Because tomorrow's going to be up 5%. It's up 10%. I'm buying it. Well, tomorrow's going to be up 8%, you know. Anyway, it's just crazy. I got to make this video short, y'all. So let me go ahead and time it to get out here. You said even Walmart was giving away money. I don't know, man. I was cover calling this thing. See that? Look at that. Let's get rid of all these. No, I don't want to get rid of all these drawings. Let's get rid of this one. Yeah. See right there? This is the daily. I mean, this is it. You know, so I've been doing the cover call thing, and we shot up here. It quickly rejected that level. I mean, it did the same thing at the last earnings report. which I was really shocked at because it went all the way down to 120. Here it opened up at 131, and then it went all the way down to 117. Right from there, straight down. And how many days is that? 26 days. Right? So I was like, man, I was selling puts and I was losing. That's why I'm doing a couple of calls now. So look, it did the same thing here, 137, and then now it's holding the 131 area. So I like this, but I think if it, well, I don't know if it breaks that, I won't say I would get out. I might look to buy more because look, how are they selling Walmart like that, but yet they're giving Target all the love? Look how Target gapped up and it's holding it. Man, I don't remember the last time I was even in Target. But anyway, look at that. I mean, that's a bull flag. It should fill this gap, but the longer it stays up there, it probably won't, So I'm going to tell you how to trade it. I said it before on my channel. When you get stocks like this is the 4-hour chart. Just buy the breakout above here. Don't, unless, and if it gets down here, you can go ahead and buy down there, right? Because now you're even. But just buy the breakout above that level, and then it'll rip. It happens all the time, right? So that's what I would do. I wouldn't touch Target unless it beat that high, because this thing can go sideways forever, especially if you're in options, because you don't want to lose any time value waiting for this thing to go higher. But look at that, man. That's just insane. Let's pull up Costco, these retailers. I like Costco better. It's not really going ballistic. Looks like they're about to report. If Target blew out, Walmart did, Costco's got to. This has got to be. Oh man. See, I don't like playing earnings, but it's got to. Target, Walmart, Costco's not. I mean, they all beat. The Best Buy report. 9:30. Damn, that's a whole month away. I don't like Best Buy. Look at it's finally doing what I think it's gonna do. All right, I gotta end this video, y'all. Banks and airlines moving up. I saw that. I heard that. Let's pull up American up 10%. Delta up 29, 9%. My favorites are Love and Save. Love up 6. Wow, just it. Look, I like this. I like that higher low right here, right? I like that. The only thing that bothers me with the airlines is, if you remember the last earnings report, and I'm not liking Save no more, but Save is only up 7, which is Spirit. They're losing like $25 million a day, and then they was coming out saying they got a couple of $1 billion. I can't remember what it was, but they're losing a lot of money a day, and these things are only going up on the hope of a vaccine and things turn around, and for some reason if we get a phase 2 of the vaccine, if I say the vaccine goes the virus, and say the virus goes airborne, if that happens, we know the vaccine is going to be longer, because now they got to almost create a new one. Therefore, these are going to go down. They're going to lose all they liquidity, all their cash. You know what I mean? Because they losing money every single day. So these companies, the environment has to change before they lose all their money, right? It's like a ticking clock. They have enough money until, and they'll tell you if you go back and read the earnings, say they have enough money until June next year. The current burn is $25 million a day. If that if nothing changes, guess what? They're going bankrupt. So they need a situation. You know what I mean? And that's what makes me scared of them. If you want good price and you believe in it and you got time, I think it's good to get in, and you're willing to risk, because these are great prices that you can get in for. So you have to really believe. And definitely look up how much money they have left in their daily cash burn. Look those up. The last earnings report told us a lot. I mean, look how much this company lost, $3.59. They thought it was going to lose 270. They lost damn near $1 more. It's crazy, right? So I mean, they can't keep doing this. They can't. Otherwise, they'll turn into an Uber. See what these guys is doing. I'm surprised they held on. With that whole California thing, and then they got to stay. So I don't know. It's coming still. It's almost like I'm glad I bought my puts back, and I made a little bit of money, a couple bucks, but it got the save right there, but it's not really, nobody's really believing it's not really going up like that. He was up nice today, 0.6, but I still think it breaks. Just my personal opinion. You got the XOY calls. Damn, cruise lines were up today. Yeah, I do wanna, and I do wanna maybe allocate some money to these guys. It just seems like there's so much better opportunities though. But if you got a long term perspective and you willing to lose the money, because remember it could be a Hertz. They could just, next thing you know, they're saying, yeah, we think about declaring bankruptcy, and then now it's down $5, and then a couple of weeks later, oh, we did declare bankruptcy. Now it's 82 cents, and then it'll kind of fluctuate from there. But remember, at that point, it'll be basically worthless. So you have to be, but it's a good buy. It's a good buy if you really believe it. If they turn around, it's going to be a good buy. Look at that, man. You see what the market is doing, right? We see a lot of the stocks making new highs. Look at this thing, doesn't want to do anything, right? Lots of sellers up here too. Look at that stick, right? So beautiful iron condor stock. This thing's been good for steady for months. But yeah, CCL's up 10% today, but tomorrow will be bearish. They'll talk about bye. Next thing you know, it's down 10%. So it's up, it's down. You got to get it on a day that it's down, right? Like you got to get it on a day that bad news comes out. Is this the bottom? Maybe. Look at this. I mean, you do got the higher low, right? You got this low, and this is the start of bottoms, by the way. So you got that low, you got a lower low, then now you got the higher low. So you see that? So if it can build something here, it could go. This could be the low right there. And I like looking at that. That's good. This is good stuff right here. And that's a pretty good candle for a daily. So and good volume. So maybe this is it. Maybe it's not too late, right? Maybe you could buy a call, right? That way your risk is limited. Maybe you buy a long-term call. See what it looks like. Can you come way out? Let's go out a year and a half, and they're expensive. These things are expensive. But buy a call spread. Like you can buy this 17 and a half and sell a 30 for about $3. Yeah, so they give you make about $1,000 on that. Give you 10, 11, 12. Was that 12 and a half? Yeah, 12 and a half. 10, 11, 12. 12 and a half. Paid $3. Make like $900 on 12 and a half points. Is Delta still paying? No, I don't think so. I don't think any of the airlines is paying. I remember when they pulled it. Here it is. It's 0. I remember when they pulled. Remember, they're losing. They got serious cash burn. There's the monthly. It's not bad. Up 9%. This one looks better than the others I was pulling up. But that's a nice candle so far. It's August 24th. It's still the candle's still developing, right? And you could see, how did I get that? I don't know what that. Okay, see that right there? It's kind of developing that outside candle, right? Where the whole body's engulfing the month before. That's a good pattern right there. If that stick can hold, that's a good time to possibly get in there, So I actually like that. I might have to put maybe $200 in Delta, 200 in Carnival. You know, just small, little money to maybe where it equals like 1,000 or something like that. And Norwegian, you know, all them other plays like that. XLY, I forgot. Sorry, you said you got the XLY calls today. That is the consumer discretionary, is it? SBI consumer discretionary. um, I like it. I don't know, man. Like I said, it's been working. That's the thing about this market. What's been working is this works. You know what to buy because you buy what's working, and it's either working or it's not. And that's why we get these little hockey sticks going up, right? It's working. So you can't say it. I can't say nah because it's not working because it's working. I mean, it's working until it's not working. You know what I mean? So, hey, it's working. I just don't like them. I don't like when they do that. I gotta see it kind of get into this average, right? See how it's toppy? I can sit here and do my little buy point thing. If you look at this chart, when was the best places to buy? Well, right here was a good buy point. Maybe you could have bought it right here, and right here, and right here. For the most part, all of these was below the moving average, at the moving average. This one's way below. Of course, that was a great buy point, along with a lot of other stocks. Now, what were the worst places? Oh, well, this was a shitty place to buy right here. And so was here. That was a shitty place to buy. Here was, and maybe here. Why? Because it was overextended on each and every single one of those. And this one is super overextended. It's like times 2.5, right? So we know that these were great buy points. These are great sell points. Well, we don't know about this one. This one's still question mark. But if it has anything, if we going back 2 years and it's kind of way up there. I mean, there's still 15 million people unemployed. I don't know. I like it to come in a little bit. But it's been working. I can't say anything about that. It's been working. So you've got to work it. I mean, it's working until it's not working, and it's working. So, and we've seen the stocks that's not working. It just don't work. So you gotta buy. I guess you gotta buy. You gotta buy it until it works. You gotta buy it until it don't work. But who knows when it's not gonna work? I don't know, man. It's just crazy. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. So it was a great day for me. I'm up 1,700 carrier. Everything was good. It was a great day, man. It's great. It's great. That's all I can say. And I'll talk to y'all later. I appreciate everyone that's here. Cashmatic, Mr. JRH, my babes, the jewelry box. IFYB, appreciate you being here. Hey, check me out. I'm on YouTube on Dre Trades 2. I think I still got I think I can post the link. No, that ain't the link. Anyway, I'm still here. I'm on there. Thanks for checking me out. What was I going to say? Yeah, and the other guys, thanks for following me over from the other channel. I'll do a video on why I did that. So I'll talk to y'all guys later. I hope y'all made some good money today. Keep doing what you're doing if you did. All right, so I'll talk to y'all guys later. This is Dre. I'm out. Peace. Dre Trades, Twitter, Instagram.